Today is a celebration day. It looks like you're having so much fun. Vivi, it looks like Blocky is scared of something. Vivi, you're scared. You're very scared of something. A loud sound. Animals are scared of loud noises.